Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie Treats. More specifically, Pumpkin Rice Krispie Treats. I have a little Halloween party to go to where we're going to be eating pizza and carving pumpkins. And there's going to be some little kids there and they really like Rice Krispie Treats. So I'm going to surprise them with some Pumpkin Rice Krispie Treats. They're really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can make them, you can make them. Let's get started. All right, I came across these on Pinterest and thought they were really cool and thought my friends would really like them. Now I'm gonna do these actually in the microwave. Traditionally, you would do these on the stove top, normal Rice Krispie Treats, but I already have a video where I did that method, and if you look up here in the corner, there's a little eye, click on that and you can find that video. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, or you could use salted butter. Now let's go ahead and put this in the microwave and melt the butter, so probably 30 to 45 seconds. All right, our butter's melted. This method also is a lot faster than doing it on the stovetop, but some people don't like using the microwave or they don't own a microwave, so you can do it on the stovetop. Now we're gonna add in our marshmallows. This is about 40 marshmallows. Depending on where you buy them, I wouldn't use the whole bag because sometimes there's a lot more. Like if you get a larger size bag of marshmallows, there'll be more in there. So we're just gonna mix these around a little bit and get them coated in the butter. Okay, and then now we are going to melt these in the microwave. It's gonna take about 1 minute and 30 seconds, and we're gonna stir it like every 35, 40 seconds until it's all nice and melted and all blended together. On to that step. All right, once we have it melted, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our food coloring. We want this to be orange. I'm just gonna add a couple drops of red first, and then a couple drops of yellow. We'll see where that gets us. That actually wound up being pretty good, just how it was right there. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to add in our 6 cups of Rice Krispie Treats and combine them all with our mixture. And now what we want to do is we want to take some oil and coat our hands with it. Okay, when your hand's coated with oil, you're just going to take some and we're going to kind of just form it into a ball. And we'll place it on a thing of parchment paper. And make sure it's all together here. Okay, and you're gonna just kind of push down the middle a little bit, just so we have a place for our rolo to rest. And then grab a rolo and just push it on there. And then grab a green M&m and put that right next to it. So just put it on there, and then we're gonna just let it cool and take its shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and form the rest of these. All right, when they're all done, they'll look like this. Go ahead and just let them sit. You can put them in the fridge so they can harden up quickly, or just leave them at room temperature and they will eventually get harder. And so this whole thing, start to finish, takes like 15 minutes. Really quick and easy treat if you're in a bind this Halloween and want to make something cool. So this recipe made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 really large pumpkin Rice Krispie Treats, but you can make them a lot smaller and then use like the mini rolos if you want. All right, our pumpkin Rice Krispie Treats are done. Turned out fantastic, really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab this one right here. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.